Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
Best high-torque impact wrench reviews. Dual DCF900 20 volts brushless high-torque impact wrench delivers powerful fastening with advanced lithium battery technology. Designed with durable brushless motor for efficiency and longer run time. Features robust torque, ergonomic grip, and professional-grade performance. Includes sturdy storage box for convenient transport and protection, ideal for heavy-duty applications.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.